Hello, Juniper community members. In this video, I would like to share information about putting books on hold through the Juniper Library catalog. Juniper students have always been able to put library books on hold, and many Juniper students will be familiar with these steps. However, for those who are not familiar with the process of putting books on hold, or for those who would like a review of the steps, I hope these instructions are useful. First, you need to access the Juniper Library webpage. This can be done using any device and any web browser. In this case, I will begin by doing a search for Lena Juniper Elementary School. If you do a search like this, make sure you click on the result that is associated with the Washoe County School District. Once you have reached the Lena Juniper Elementary School webpage, scroll to the bottom and click on Juniper Destiny Library. From this list of all Washoe County schools, click on Juniper Elementary. You are now on the Juniper Library Destiny webpage. Destiny is the library catalog system used throughout the Washoe County School District. The next step is to log into your personal Destiny account. You can browse the Juniper Library catalog without logging in, but you will not be able to put books on hold if you are not logged in. To log in, click on the login link in the upper right-hand corner. If you're using a school district device that you've already logged into, you can click on the SSO or single sign-on button to directly access your Destiny account. Otherwise, you'll log into your Destiny account by entering your Destiny username and Destiny password. For all Washoe County School District students, your Destiny username is your student ID number. This is the 7-digit number that's your library barcode number and the number you use to sign in to any school district device. If you don't know this number, you'll need to get assistance from a school staff member or from another adult with access to this information. Destiny passwords are more complicated. For Washoe County School District students, your password is your last name exactly as it appears in Infinite Campus. If your last name in Infinite Campus has 2 parts with a space between each part, you'll need to enter the 2 parts of your last name with a space between each part. If your last name in Infinite Campus has 2 parts with a dash between each part, you'll need to enter the 2 parts of your last name with a dash between each part. If you're not sure how your last name appears in Infinite Campus, ask a staff member for assistance. Destiny passwords are not case sensitive, so you can use all capital letters, all lowercase letters, or a mix of capital and lowercase letters. Once you have logged into your personal Destiny account, you'll see your first and last name in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the Catalog tab to start your search. Search for books by typing a word or a couple of words in the Find box. Then click on one of the buttons below the Find box to start the search. If I'm searching for Charlotte's Web by E.B. White, I could type Charlotte's Web in the Find box and then click on the Title button. When you find a book you are interested in, click on the blue Title or on the Details button. The Title Details page has lots of information about a book, including how many copies are available, a summary, and reading level details. To place a hold on the book, click on the Hold It button. If a copy of the book is available, you will see a message letting you know that the book is ready for pickup. If the book is not available, you will see a message letting you know that your request has been received and that you will get the next available copy. You can see what books you have on hold by clicking on the My Info tab at the top of the page. From this screen, you can delete a hold, but only if the book is not yet available for you. If you want to delete a hold on a book that is ready for you, please speak with an adult in the library. When you are finished, remember to log out of your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have a question, please add it to the comment section, and thank you for watching.